hopefully the swimming pool. Ooh!
Everything's negotiable!
Purchase day today, we're adding to the portfolio. So we got a new member of the Moroccan Brothers, he took us on the seats. Oh!
We're Marrakech!
Okay, so we're currently at a viewing for, again, another joint venture with some of our students. So I came to the viewing to see how it is. Very nice. One of the bedrooms. What's in here? It's got a nice theme. It's nice. Big headboards. Most bedrooms have en-suites in them. Ooh. What's in here? Hopefully the swimming pool. Ooh. I love it when the bedrooms connect to the pools. Let's see the rest. Another one's off the bedrooms. Probably en-suite at the back. That's the living room. That's the front door we just came from. Got a kitchen in here. Kitchen's nice. Guys, you know the rules. Enter someone's house, open the fridge. Okay. I like the black cabinets. It's pretty nice. But so far, it looks good. Don't be shy.
What are you saying, Jamal?
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Assalamu alaikum.
This is Yunus. Listen. Watch out for Yunus because we're going to see his villa today as well.
Inshallah.
We're going to touch it up, inshallah. When the bookings start coming, cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. I would have Valentino in the vlog, but he says he's camera shy. I got to put the camera on the floor. Hey, Ryan, edit that out. Ryan, edit that out. Currently got a table, fixing it. Got a bit vexed because the guy came. Paint's not even dry, so I had to cool down the corner.
علاش هادشي ما ناشفش مثلا؟ لا تصبر يلا تصبر علاش خليه يجيب هذا؟ قلت له علاش ما جبتوش من يجيب؟
نتا كنعرف والو
لا هو قالك علاش ما جبتيهم زعما خرجتي
علاش
شنو علاش؟
شوف دير من هنا وشوف
انت يلا وجدوه لي
ولاش خليه يجيبها دابا قول لي
ندربها لك.
Mr. Valentino making sure everything's working nicely.
You know how a jeweler looks at diamonds? It's the same way he looks at a menu.
We got seasoned, you got unseasoned steak.
You got 3 for yourself?
No, I asked him for a quarter kilo, and then he slapped on 3, and then I couldn't be bothered. I don't know where my key is.
Brother, there's best.
I think so, but I'm not gonna eat all of it. Though.
This was our one.
But I don't know.
You got seasoned steak.
I told them medium. You know why they can't make it? They make it on the fire. It's too hot.
Yeah.
يا مزيان.
Okay.
انت كتسدو؟
كنسدو معاك سعود.
Wash hair.
خير.
Ready for meetings?
Yeah.
You got the coffees ready? Jam-packed day today.
Guys, you know, so anyway, the good news is the elevator, I'm gonna have the paper next week, I hope. And I think for what you want to do, which is a mix of a residence and small villas, bigger villas, hotel, I think it's the best one. It's worse than that road.
Yeah, they never had to tomorrow.
But as I said, as soon as I get the paper and do another visit, and I'm going to do a good PDF, sending it to you. If you want to jump on it, you need to go fast because you're negotiating with someone that gives 900, you know?
In the papers you send me next week, is it going to tell me what I can build on it?
I don't hear you well. I'm going to stop and put, I'm going to stop the car, sorry.
I said if I was to get the papers next week, would it have all the information about what I can do in it, the land?
Of course, that's why I'm talking about.
Do you know anyone who's selling another Oliver Palm duplex?
Yeah, he does.
Does he?
Yes.
He just messaged me saying he's got another one.
Wallah.
I swear. Abdul, tell him.
Yeah, as I said, when you told me that you're very interested in Oliver Palm 2 months ago, I think we met first time is 2 months, huh? Time is running. Anyway, I talked to some owners, some didn't want to sell, and this one, finally, he's interested. I think he wants 3.2.
I haven't seen it yet.
320, I mean.
320. Let me have a look at it. Send me what you have available, because I have a client who wants to buy it, but he really likes Oliver Palm and he's willing to pay that price.
How much does the owner want?
3.2 if we go full with the bank.
3.2.
And maybe if
He'll do that.
if he asks 3.5 in the beginning.
What, he won't take off 10 dirhams?
Sorry?
He won't take off 10 dirhams from the price?
No, it's like 3.2 last price.
So if I gave him 10 dirhams more, would he take it?
Yeah.
Then everything's negotiable! You guys know what day it is today.
What is it? What day?
Why don't you enlighten them?
Concomitant day, purchase day.
Purchase day today. We're adding to the portfolio. A nice little touch up. We're gonna go to the notaire, do some checks today.
Listen, Jamal, I went to give them a little Thursday morning motivation.
Thursday morning motivation. While people are preparing for Friday to go out, you need to be preparing for a new start. Every day's a Monday. We ain't coming towards the end of the week, we're coming to a start of a new life, a new epiphany, a new segment. Chase the money, chase the deen, don't chase the women. So I was taking business calls as usual. I spoke to some potential students today. Really amazing. I spoke to this one potential student and he's already managing 30 properties in Marrakech in a space of 6 months, which I thought was really credible. So that's actually a really interesting conversation. You know, it's up when they give you a Sidi Ali in a glass bowl. Even inside looks really nice. There's actually a project, something like this I would want to do, where like you buy, it's just greenery so much, and it's just Moroccan vibes everywhere. That just, the attention to detail here is absolutely crazy. And it's just very peaceful, very quiet. This is a 10 out of 10 project. I like it a lot. Allahumma barak to the guy or woman who's done it. So we got a new member of the Moroccan Brothers. He took us on the seat. New board of director.
Bro, get off my chair, bro.
I don't want to hear, bro.
Yo, get the fuck off. Hey, bro, why is that following me, bro?
Wallah is coming round.
Wait, African kid. This man Cliff.
What's coming to you? Osama's hangry, miskin. Let me not record him before he shouts at me. Ooh, what's the pasta saying? Good.
Pretty good, bro.
Let's give you guys a little pizza review. It's good. 10:37. What's Osama? Let's see where he's at. Osama's doing some big business calls. Gonna go out with Riad. Need to record minimal 10 hooks, maybe 15 today. I have got to open up multiple bank accounts for different companies that I've set up with different investors. We went to the notary yesterday to do some checks on a property. I need to chase that up. I have some outstanding payments. I basically need to be a debt collector today. I need to pay, invoices. So people are debting off me as well. For some construction companies, there are some spot checks that I need to do. I've hired people to do them, but I need to check on their checking, if that makes sense. I have staff who look after our units. For example, this is our students' villa, but it gives an idea of spacing. Like, we have villas like this. I need to check on their checking. And, you know, if it's not good, I need to retrain them. And if there's too many warnings, you know what that means. Bro, they gave us a tour of a bank yesterday. I couldn't believe it. I felt like I was some investor. The guy goes to a tour of the bank. This guy goes, yeah. I've never gone into a bank or got a tour.
Oh, do it again, bro. Do it again.
Say wallah.
That was good.
You need to see me in the beach club tomorrow, bro. Eating the chips, yeah? She's just, Salma's looking at her and she's just eating chips, looking at him, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
In this particular political context, the Nazareth art.
That is already titled, so you open to also meet, yeah.
Come on, Jamal. Come on.
I'm hot and I'm sweaty because we just walked 15 minutes to the Riad.
A nice electric top that closes, which is nice. So when it rains or when there is the thing, like yesterday there was the storm, so we just cover it and it's completely pitch black. It's nice also for night to preserve the heat and etc. So you have living space here. You don't have fireplace. It's very cozy. It's well done.
Do you know how long ago this was built? Or this was renovated?
I can find out exactly when, but it has been running for a little while. I'll check the exact date.
Okay.
You have the bedroom on this floor on the right hand side right here.
This one?
Yeah, and it's a heated pool, which is super rare in Marrakech. Usually it's
it's
not.
heated?
Yeah, it's heated. Yeah.
Oh, come on, bro. It's better. Yeah.
How much is the Riad?
680.
680.
Yeah, and it generates like 600K a year for this one.
680 euros?
680,000 euros. And did you see this one? The prices a year ago are completely doubled. So even if you paid nothing for it, today's market is completely different. So
Yeah, Medina's limited stock.
it's limited stock, and we're working with only 30% of what is sellable in Medina. And keep in mind, the prices keep going up because the stock of sellable things are limited, and everybody wants to Medina because tourists, when they come, they don't want to be in the villa. They want to be in the heart of the historical side and walk everywhere. So that's the beauty of it. So yeah, the prices are going to keep rising.
Can we see upstairs?
Yeah, of course. This beautiful terrace, seating area, they just covered them. Day bed, same thing, beautiful dining area. Yeah, plenty of space going to add a hot tub here.
Even the one opposite is nice. Do you specialize in Riads
We
or?
have a lot of Riads, yeah, because with the demand,
Be careful, bro.
we work with a lot of foreigners,
Okay.
and 90% of them want to buy a Riad.
Hey, Valentino. Come on.
So it's nice when it rains, you just close it off and you're like covered. And when it's heated pool, it's great at night you can cover it to keep the heat, so it's really convenient.
I like it. Opposite, you know, from the terrace, it looks like.
Because the bank, when you are Moroccan, live outside with outside revenue. Like 20% is the best deal you can have, and you need to have contact, strong contact, and ask Sergey how long it will take to give you a response.
Yes, I'll do
You know,
that.
but-
Yeah, I'll do that, and I'll keep you in the loop with it. From my understanding, it's 3 months, but I don't expect it to be 3 months. But I'll double check. At least then we have more clarity. I'll speak to Ishmael today. I'll ask him how long it's valid for. I'll reach out to the regional director of this bank.
You need to get an email about that. You need to get a real okay for an email. Like the bank is okay, and the deal is on the table for how long. You need to get a proof of that.
Yes, I'll get.
Otherwise, you can lose it.
We're in Marrakech with the one and only Yunus. Where you from?
I'm from Amsterdam.
Amsterdam. Tell it in Dutch. Something in Dutch.
Yes, ik ben van Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Deze kale knikker die hier zo naast me.
Albert Heijn. Mr. Marketing Director. Yes, man. What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan.
Yes, sir.
Or Ryan or Ryan?
Ryan, bro.
Ryan. No, it's the Ryan. Yeah. Mr. Morocco. Hey, mister, why am I doing your job, bro?
Bro, come on.
Weekend. I hear it, bro. I hear it.
Hey, what's happening, bro?
Bro, Riad told me, well, let's go to Nice in August. I said, you know what, let me check my schedule. August is packed, but I don't care. I will make time, bro. Where is it? We're going to Nice, bro. South of France, baby. We're going. We don't care. We're going. Do you know why? Because we make decisions. We're the boss.